In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for email design. This connection lets you move designs from Canva into your Mailchimp campaigns with fewer downloads and uploads, saving time and keeping everything consistent. Start by heading to Mailchimp's website and signing into the account where you manage your email campaigns. Make sure you're in the right audience or workspace, especially if you work with multiple brands, because integrations apply to the account you're currently using. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the Integrations section. This is where Mailchimp lists apps and services that can connect directly to your account. If you don't see integrations, you may need the right permissions, so check with an account admin or switch to a role that allows managing apps. Inside integrations, use the search bar and type Canva. Keep the spelling exact so the result appears quickly. You should see the official Canva integration listed. Select it to open the app details. Here you'll find a short description of what the connection does and any notes about how it interacts with your Mailchimp content. It's a good idea to glance at this page so you know what access is being requested and what benefits you'll get. Next, click Connect. Mailchimp will guide you through a quick authorization flow. Follow the prompts on screen and confirm the connection when asked. If your browser blocks pop-ups, enable them temporarily for this step so the authorization window can open. If the Connect button is disabled, double-check that you're logged into the correct Mailchimp account and that you have the necessary permissions to add integrations. Once connected, you'll be able to bring Canva-created visuals into Mailchimp's email builder more smoothly. This makes it easier to use on-brand graphics, headers, and templates you've built in Canva without juggling files. A helpful tip, name your Canva designs clearly before you connect so they're easy to find later when you're building a campaign in Mailchimp. If you collaborate with a team, align on naming conventions to keep shared assets tidy. If Canva doesn't appear in search, try refreshing the integrations page, verify your internet connection, or sign out and back in. Region and plan differences can sometimes affect availability, so make sure you're using a supported Mailchimp plan. That's it. You've connected Canva to Mailchimp, setting yourself up for faster, cleaner email design. Save your changes and you're ready to design campaigns with less friction and more consistency.